Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Surbi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of aam papad. I think mango is something which is favorite of all. So let's start. For this we have taken 2 mangoes. Weight about 400 grams each, and then we will peel it off its outer skin. Once the skin is peeled off, we are now going to take out the pulp and we will remove the hard part. Because we require only pulp, only mango pulp here. Once we take out the pulp, we will going to transfer all this pulp to the mixer jar and we will make a puree of it. So as you can see, a very fine puree is made. Now we are going to heat up a pan, and into this pan I am going to put that mango puree which we have prepared. Now into this I am going to add about 200 grams of sugar. This is a granulated white sugar which I am using. And at a very low temperature we have to keep it on cooking until the mixture become a bit thick. So keep on stirring the mixture at a very low temperature until the mango pulp and sugar completely dissolve and the mixture become a bit thick. So I just wanted to show you the consistency. So now as you can see, it's liquidy form. So it's been dropping very easily, if you can see here. Now into this you can see the mixture is dropping very slowly. So that means it is done. Now I am going to grease a steel plate. You can use aluminum plate also. So I have taken ghee and I will grease my plate. Now onto this grease plate I am going to put the mango pulp mixture which we have prepared. So friends, just remember, do not add any moisture, because if you will add moisture, your recipe will not sustain for a long time. So onto this I am going to spread a very thin layer with the help of rubber spatula. So now you can see the mixture has been evenly spread out onto the plate. Now I am going to dry this mixture into the sunlight. So friends, we can also do it inside our home under the fan. So it's all up to you, because if you are going to dry it in sunlight, then the moisture will not retain in your mixture, and that will help to sustain that papad for a very long time. So now after 2 days keeping it in sunlight, you can see the papad is ready. Now what I will do, with the help of a knife, scrape it from all the sides in this way. So we have to scrape it out from all the sides like this. And now you see how easily it's coming out of the plate. So now I'm going to cut it into square pieces in this way. Now you can see how thin the layer is and how translucent it is, just like what you are getting in the market. You can prepare very hygienically at your home. So I'm going to cut it into this kind of shapes, and few of them I'm going to roll it. So suppose if you are having some rabdi or khoa in your house, you can spread it over and you can roll it off, and you can eat it as a kind of sweet dish. So here I have cut half of them into the square pieces and half of them I am rolling it like this, if you can see. And I have served it on a plate. So this is something which you can preserve it also. Mango is everyone's favorite, and I hope you have liked this recipe. So please try it at home and give me your feedback. Subscribe my channel because I'm coming with some of the very interesting cuisines. Now thanks for watching this.